Welcome to all. My name is Raja Reddy. I am working as a lecturer. Recently, some of my students asked me that why don't you teach us in online platforms, sir? Keeping their views in mind, I try to support, I try to give maximum support to our students. Dear students, first you listen the concepts carefully. If you are very good in concepts, then solving the problems will be very easy. Now we are going to start the topic circle. So this topic is very important in IPA topic, and the weightage of this topic is 22 marks. Two marks will be given, 4 marks will be given, 7 marks will be given in IP. So this topic is important, scoring topic, and also easy topic. Students, now we define the circle. Circle is the locus of a point which moves at a constant distance from a fixed point. Which moves at a constant distance from a fixed point. The fixed point is called the center of the circle. And the constant distance, the distance from here to any point on the circle, is called radius. Is always constant. This constant distance is called radius of the circle. Generally, center is denoted by capital letter C and the radius is denoted by R. Now, this is the circumference of the circle, the center. The line segment joining the 2 points on the circumference is called chord of the circle. And the chord which passes through center is called diameter of the circle. So which is the twice of the radius. Diameter is twice of the radius. Let us see h comma k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Now we prove this one. So he has given center C h comma k and radius is r. We know that circle is the locus of a point which moves at a constant distance from a fixed point. That is nothing but we have to find the locus which is at a distance r from the point ch comma k. Any point on the locus. Let us assume p x1 comma y1 be a point on the locus which is on the circumference of the circle. The point P, wherever it may be on the circle, it always follows the condition Cp equals to R. Cp equals to R. This is the condition satisfied by P. Now, On squaring on both sides, we get Cp square equals to R square, where C is h comma k and P is x1 comma y1. Now Cp square means this is the distance between 2 points formula, x2 minus x1 whole square, which is x1 minus h whole square and y1 minus k whole square equals to R square. This is the equation of circle with center h comma k and radius r.
Start.
Now I give you one example. Find the circle with center cos alpha comma sin alpha and radius 1 unit. He has given center and radius, which is center h comma k will be given, is given, and r is given. We know that the equation of circle with center h comma k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. On substituting these values, x minus cos alpha whole square, y minus sin alpha whole square equals to 1 square, which is in the form a minus b whole square. On expanding, a square minus 2ab 2x cos alpha plus cos square alpha, then y square minus 2y sin alpha plus sin square alpha equals to 1. Then on simplifying, x square plus y square, then x term is minus 2x cos alpha, the y term is 2y sin alpha. Here cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, it is always 1. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. That 1 and this one cancels. Now this is the equation of circle with center cos alpha comma sin alpha and radius 1 unit.
Start.
The next problem is find the equation of circle passing through 2 comma minus 1 and having center at 2 comma 3.
Start.
If you observe this problem, he has given center of the circle and the circle is passing through 2 comma minus 1. We have to find the equation of circle. We have center of the circle. Center of the circle is 2 comma 3 and the circle is passing through 2 comma minus 1 means the point is on the circle. Circle is passing through, it is somewhere on the circle, but the circle is passing through 2 comma minus 1. By using this condition, we can find the radius of the circle. We know the distance from center to any point on the circle gives us the radius. By using the condition, h comma k is 2 comma 3 and radius of the circle is, take the point SP, is CP. The radius of the circle is CP, the distance between C and P. What is the distance between the 2 points? x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square, which is x2 minus x1, 2 minus 2 whole square and minus 1 minus 3 whole square gives us 0 plus 16, which is 4. This is the radius of the circle and center is 2 comma 3. Now equation of circle is x minus h whole square and y minus k whole square equals to r square, where h is 2, k is 3, r is 4, 4 square. And expanding this, you get x square plus y square here minus 4x minus 6y. In this expansion, b square is 4. In this expansion, b square is 9. 4 plus 9, 13. 13, this is 16. Bringing this 16 into this side, 13 minus 16 minus 3 equals to 0. This is the equation of circle. And the given equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. In order to find the center and radius of this circle, we need to change this equation into the form x minus h whole square y minus k whole square equals to r square. By using this equation, we can easily say h comma k is the center, r is the radius. In order to change this equation to this form, first we write x terms first and y term next and constant. In order to change this form, we add x square plus 2gx plus g square. Add and subtract g square. If we add and subtract g square, we can write from here to here as x plus g whole square. In the same manner, y square plus 2fy plus f square minus f square plus c equals to 0. From here to here, we write x plus g whole square. From here to here, we write as y plus f whole square, which is equals to, shifting these three terms to that side, g square plus f square minus c. Again, it can be written as x minus of minus g whole square and y minus of minus f whole square equals to root over g square plus f square minus c whole square, which is in the form of x minus h whole square y minus k whole square equals to r square. By comparing this equation with this, we have center of the circle is minus g comma minus f. X minus, this is h, this k. X minus h, y minus k. And radius, root over g square plus f square minus c, where g square plus f square minus c is always greater than or equals to 0. Equal equation. And this equation is also called general form of the circle. By using this general equation of circle, the conditions for any equation to reference a circle are: the equation must be second degree in x and y. X square and y square must be present. That means it must be second degree in x and y. That is one point. And x square coefficient and y square coefficient must be equal and also equals to 1. Okay, we should make the x square coefficient, y square coefficient 1. And xy coefficient should not be present in that equation. Xy coefficient should not be present. That means coefficient of xy must be 0. For example, if ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c equals to 0 represents a circle. If this second degree equation represents a circle, then a must be equals to b. X square coefficient and y square coefficient must be equal. That is the first condition. And the xy coefficient should not be present in the equation. That means h value must be 0. So these are the conditions for any equation to represent a circle. Let us find the center and radius of the circle. So to find the center radius of this circle, we compare this equation with the general form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Where x coefficient of this one is 2g. 2g equals to minus 4 and g equals to minus 2. 2f equals to minus 8, f equals to minus 4, and where c is minus 41. And this formula for center is c minus g comma minus f, which is 2 comma 4. And radius is root over g square plus f square minus c. This root over g square means 4, f square 16 minus c means minus 41, which is plus 41, which is equals to root of 16, 1. This is the center and radius. Let us move next problem. The circular equation is 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x minus 6y plus 4 equals to 0. In order to find the center, first we have to make x square y square coefficient 1. Here there is x square y square coefficients are equal. To compare this equation with the general form, we have to make the x square y square coefficient 1. So that we should divide the equation with 3. Divide with 3. We have x square plus y square minus 5 by 3x minus 2y plus 4 by 3 equals to 0. Now to compare this with the general form, 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Where x coefficient 2g equals to minus 5 by 3 and g equals to minus 5 by 6. 2f y coefficient is minus 2 and f equals to minus 1 and c equals to 4 by 3. Now the center minus g comma minus f is equals to 5 by 6 comma 1, and radius is root over g square plus f square minus c. Root over g square means g is minus 5 by 6. 25 by 36. F square is 1. Minus c means minus 4 by 3. And taking LCM of denominator is 36. It's 25 plus 36 minus 3 ones are 3, 12s are 12 4 48, which is root over 25 plus 36 is 61. 61 minus 48 is 30. 13 by 36, which is root 13 by 6, is the radius of the circle.
That.
The next problem is, if x square plus y square plus ax plus by let us move the next problem. If x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 equals to 0 has the center at 2 comma 3, Then find A, B and radius of the circle. According to the problem, has given the center of the circle. So that we have to equate the center of the circle to the point 2, 3. Before that, we find the center of the given circle. This is the given circle. Compare with the general equation of the circle, which is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Here 2g is equals to a and g equals to a by 2. Y quotient 2f is equals to b and f is equals to b by 2, and where c is minus 12. According to the problem, center is given by 2, 3. What is the center of this circle? What is the formula for center of the circle? Minus g, minus f. What is minus g means? Minus a by 2 minus b by 2 is equals to 2, 3. Equating x coordinates and y coordinates, we'll get a as minus 4 and b as minus 6, and radius root over g square plus f square minus c, where g is equals to a by 2. Already we have a value and b value, which is g equals to a by 2, where a is minus 4, then this g is minus 2, f is equals to b by 2, where b is minus 6 by 2, which is minus 3, and c is minus 12. Now g square 4, f square 9 minus c is minus 12, so that plus 12 over 25, which is 5. This is a value, b value and r. The next problem is find the values of a and b if ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus t equals to 0 represents a circle, and also find its center and radius of the circle. Given equation is this one. We know that for any second degree equation, the condition to represent a circle is x square quotient must be equals to y square quotient. He has given this represents a circle. That means x square and y square quotients are equal. That means here x square quotient is a, y square quotient is 3. That means a value is also 3. And the another condition for the second degree equation to represent circle is there should not be present xy term in the equation, so that xy quotient must be 0, where xy quotient is b is equals to 0. When a equals to 3, b equals to 0, the equation becomes 3x square, 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. Now we have to find the center and radius of this circle. First of all, we have to make x square coefficient and y square coefficient unity. For that, we should divide the equation with 3. We get x square plus y square minus 5 by 3 times of x, 2 by 3 times of y minus 1 equals to 0. Now compare this equation with the general form, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. where x coefficient 2g is equals to minus 5 by 3 and g equals to minus 5 by 6. 2f is equals to 2 by 3 and f is equals to 1 by 3 where c is equals to minus 1. Now center. This is the center formula minus g comma minus f. This as g is minus 5 by 6 minus g means 5 by 6 minus f. F is 1 by 3 minus f means minus 1 by 3. Now radius root over g square plus f square minus c. Root over g square means 25 by 36 plus f square 1 by 9 minus c means minus 1 is plus 1. The 36 is the LCM of denominator. The numerator will be 25 plus 1 by 9 into 36 is 4 plus 36 is root over 65 by 36 which is root over 65 by 6 is the radius of the circle. The next problem is if x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c equals to 0 represents a circle with radius 6, then find the value of c. This is a given equation. By comparing the equation with the general form, we get 2g equals to minus 4, g equals to minus 2, 2f equals to 6, f equals to 3 and c equals to c. According to the problem, radius of this one is 6. Radius equals to 6. That means root over g square plus f square minus c value is 6. Where g square, g value is minus 2, that is 4, f is 9 minus c means c equals to 6. This one 19 minus 6 equals to 6. On squaring on both sides, 13 minus 6 equal to 36. 13 minus c equals to 36 and c equals to minus 23. At the end of this video, I wish that you learned something from it. And also, at the end of this video, I give you worksheet regarding the topic what we completed so far. Try yourself. Thank you.